Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money with Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to open your Robinhood app, and after that you will be needing to create your account. So make sure that you have completed signing up in Robinhood, and of course you will need to verify your identity so you can be eligible to invest in Robinhood. And basically after that, all you need to do is to start trading in Robinhood. And now to do so, you will need just to start searching for your stocks. So basically here we have a list of all your stocks, and basically this is just a first list. And you can also start creating your own list of uh, stocks, and all you need to do is just to click on this plus sign. So you will need just to create a watch list or screener, and then you can create a watch list so you can choose the stocks that you would like. So for example, I'm just going to do that, and let's just see daily prices jump, and I'm just going to click on search, and basically it will give me a huge list of all the stocks. And basically you will find all the stocks here that are increasing, and you can start choosing any stocks that you would like. And basically now to start earning money, all you need is just to learn investing. And basically, you will need to start buying stocks when they are cheaper, and for example, maybe selling them when they get higher. And you can start learning investing here, even in Robinhood. It will provide you some courses or some blogs that would give you the amount of knowledge or the necessary amount of knowledge so you can start learning investing in Robinhood. And basically, we need just to learn more about stocks, more about investing, and then you can start trade stocks here in Robinhood. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.